Papahinga si Tori, si Joaquim nagpaliwanag muli sa binabalak na diskarte.
Kasi it's symmetric along two lines. This is the vertical axis of symmetry.
Yeah.
This is the horizontal axis of symmetry. Thus, we should use that to our advantage. So, it's symmetrical along these two. We should put a symmetrical shape along the two sides.
Can I be the one that's straight?
You want to be like this one?
Yes, please.
Alright, siguro we can start there.
That was a good try, though.
That was a good try, just more practice. So we can commit na. Because Valentine's is about commitment.
Ang hirap pala na magtatlo kasi hindi po equal force yung nabibigay namin.
Sa kanilang susunod na pagsubok, malayo-layo na ang narating ng tatlo.
Relax muna, relax para... Mahirap talaga pag love triangle.
That's why dapat two lang talaga. Komplikado pag tatlo.